The National Unity Platform's presidential campaign took an uglier turn than previously observed after several media reports last Saturday revealed disturbing incidents of violence and brutality that occurred as the party's presidential candidate, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, made his way to a scheduled rally in Gulu City. While addressing the weekly security press briefing at the Naguru Police Headquarters this morning, Uganda Police Force's spokesperson Rusoke Kituuma expressed remorse over the violent events that unfolded and announced the formation of a joint security investigation team to probe the conduct and potential breaches of the law and human rights abuse in Gulu as NUP's presidential candidate proceeded to his rally.
Reports of the altercation were received. There are videos circulating of caning of civilians during the event or during the encounter that have been observed. These actions are regrettable, undesirable, and unfortunate. When I was discussing with our officers internally, I was briefed, and permit me to brief you that there were general inquiry files opened in respect to this matter. So whoever has good information in respect to this issue can always volunteer it.
Responding to concerns about security officers concealing their identities and obscuring vehicle registration plates, Kituuma explained that this is a lawful operational practice. He stressed that individuals who feel uneasy with the practice are free to explore available legal avenues for redress.
Security officers at times cover, dress in a concealment attire, including masks. But if, and I would like you to quote me well, if you are uncomfortable with it, both as public and as reporters, my role as a PRO is not only to speak for the institution of police, but also to gather opinions of public. So I have gathered your opinion. I'm going to convey it back to police, that the people are raising the following concerns. But otherwise, I have said that it is an operational practice.
Kituuma further reiterated the police's commitment to ensuring that all campaign activities remain peaceful, as prescribed by the Electoral Commission's guidelines. He also called upon political candidates and their supporters to cooperate closely with the security agencies to prevent future confrontations and disruptions during the campaign period.
The police reiterates the call to all candidates and their supporters to exercise calm, avoid inflammatory statements, and cooperate with the security and other stakeholders to ensure peaceful campaign activities. At the same time, our security personnel are minded to always exercise their powers within lawful and acceptable limits. We urge all candidates and their supporters to desist any acts of violence, provocation, defiance, and violating of electoral guidelines. Such conduct endangers life, property, and public peace.